Obviously, you might go out to Bristol.
It's my first day of school. It's all going to be introduction and I don't know what to expect, honestly. I'm getting ready to leave. I commute everywhere and I don't have a car yet. We should manifest that. It says there that I'm gonna be there 30 minutes before class, so hopefully that is true, and I'll show you the app that I'm using. City Mapper. It gives you like the bus stations and where to go, where to walk to the nearest bus station. This is where I'm going. That's where my class is. And it says here that if I leave by 8:45, I will arrive at 9:26.
TV news days. But they're fairly. We all managed to get signals or idea of.
I'm back home from school and today was a good day. We did a bunch of stuff, but on my way home I actually went down to the city center, talked to my mom over the phone, but I did pass by Tesco Express. I don't know if there's a difference. Please tell me if there's a difference. But I got a bunch of stuff for I'm guessing 3 meals already. So first for dinner tonight, I got this one. I was craving for rice. It says here that you can recycle the tray, and I'm also thinking you can microwave, because at my Airbnb you can only use a microwave, understandably, and I'm not complaining, which is also good because I am forced to try out different restaurants. And then for breakfast tomorrow, I got a couple of things. I got the egg fried rice. It says that you can microwave it too. And then I'm just gonna mix in some tuna. I don't know if this is a good brand. I don't see any Century tuna in Tesco, so it's 60p. I don't want to convert anymore. It hurts my brain. For lunch tomorrow, which, okay, here's my plan. Maybe this is going to be my dinner for tonight. I won't have to transfer it here if I can't finish this one. Do you get what I mean? I did get this, and I was snacking on it while I was walking home. I felt a little dizzy while walking home, and I had some of my waffles left over, so I also ate that. I don't know if it raised my blood sugar. Either way, I'm still gonna eat this chow mein. Just a few thoughts about walking around Bristol, and I feel like I haven't even gotten to the half of where I need to go here in Bristol. I'm just so amazed at the city. I feel so lucky that I get to study here and live here. I feel like it's the place to be, especially now that, like, you know, I'm a student, quote unquote. There are a lot of places to go to. There are a lot of people my age. Like, I don't feel like I'm out of place, you know what I mean? Like, the diversity is just unreal. I mean, like, hopefully I never get to experience, you know, racism or whatever, but I feel like I'm just trying to explore a new city, and people are just nice here. Like, you're just normal. Oh, also, I got another thing, which I've always wanted to try, but I know I like it. It's, carrots and hummus. It says here from 1:15 to 32 p.m. So, yeah. This one is really good, too. I honestly thought it was going to be more vinegary, or, like, more sour, probably. But it's not. It's tangy. It's like a full flavor. That's so good. My host is still in the kitchen, and I'm a little shy to use the microwave when they're there, so maybe I should just, like, wait a little bit till they go up there. Also, this Airbnb that I rented, I recommend it to anybody going to Bristol. I cannot explain how nice Bristol is. I feel like it's worth the trip. I feel like, and some of my classmates describe Bristol as like kind of London, kind of like you're in London, but it's not as magulo. I still want to go to London.